Welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. Everyone, you're welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. And today in this video, we are going to learn about 7 ways to earn money and become a billionaire. Now, we all want to achieve success in life, and the ultimate objective of success is to earn money and earn a lot of money. But while working in companies and government jobs and private companies, we keep on making the same amount of money every month, and we keep on doing the same thing every day. Ultimately, what happens is we remain in the same position where we are today. Now, in this video, you will learn 7 ways to earn money and become a rich person, a person who has a lot of money. You can be an entrepreneur, you can be a salaried person, you can be a private employee, you can be a government employee, you can be anyone, but still, with these 7 ways to earn money, you can become a billionaire for sure. Now, let us discuss all the 7 ways. So, if you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it on social media. Now, the first form of income is transaction income. You buy at less amount and sell at high amount. Now there are many business avenues available in the country wherein you can use transaction income to make huge amount of profit. You can create your own online website wherein you purchase products at low cost, or you purchase raw materials, get them into finished products and sell it online. So you're buying at less and selling at a high amount. This is how you will start making profit and earn huge money. Now, there are many companies and organizations and people who have become billionaires only by using this small concept. They give a platform to the people who cannot afford a good shop, who cannot afford to reach to the market. Now, you as an entrepreneur, you as a businessman, you as a person who has or who wants to earn money, needs to provide that platform to that poor trader, to that poor craftsman, to that poor architect who has the skill but does not have a platform to sell his products. So you can buy from that person at a less amount and sell to the people online all across the world at a very good amount. You can earn huge money. Now, this is a very good concept and one of the most important concept to become a billionaire. The second is interest income. Now, we all know there are ways to invest your money and there are ways to save your tax. Ultimately, tax saving is also a saving for yourself and for your life. Similarly, there are ways and means you can invest your money and earn good amount of profit. Now, to earn interest income, you need to read a lot. You need to study different investment methods, how to save tax, how to get the maximum advantage of tax benefits, and how to use the best possible investment options for yourself. Now, for that, I will advise you to take some efforts and go through various websites, read books and financial awareness, and just find out the type of investment which you can do to increase your income. The second way to become a billionaire is to earn dividend income. Now, this is the reason why people have risen from rags to riches. Now, these people study the financials of emerging companies. These people know the in-depth analysis of certain companies who are going to perform exceptionally well in the next 5 to 10 years. So they invest in these companies. Now these companies turn out to be multi-million companies in 5 to 10 years. So the amount of small investment that you have made today will make you a billionaire in 5 to 10 years. Now this also involves a bit of study, research, time, dedication and efforts. So if you want to earn dividend income, you need to learn how to invest money on company shares. So I hope this concept is clear to you. The fourth form of or the fourth way to earn money is rental income. You can rent out any piece of land, equipment, bicycle, motorcycle, a place which you have available in your house or in your locality. You can use that space, you can rent it out, and you can earn money. Now, rental form of income is the easiest form of money. Your property stays with you and you get money out of it. So imagine if you have seven or let's suppose five rooms, two-story buildings. You can live in one story and you can rent out the entire ground floor or two to three rooms available in your house and you can earn good amount. Let's suppose you have an empty plot. You can use that plot for parking space, which is such a rare commodity, which is such a rare business. But people do require a lot of parking space. You can charge from people on monthly basis and they'll pay you anything for parking their vehicle. So this is how you earn rent out of anything which you owe and make huge amount of money. Another form of income is a royalty income. Now royalty income is something which you will get on a consistent period of time throughout your life, making videos, clicking photos, writing books, etc., creating something that keeps you giving income. Now this is such an important concept. Now if you make a video today and if you make a good video, that will not only earn income for you in 1 month, 2 months, but forever. Even if you're not there in this world, people will acknowledge your knowledge and your good work through your videos. This is earning royalty. Royalty on anything which you have done good for the people, for the humanity. And today, in this period of globalization and internet, you have all the resources to achieve and to earn money which was never available before. So take that opportunity. Capital income, purchase of land and property. If you have money, invest that money in a farmland. Buy a piece of land which is not in the proximity but away from the city area because that will be cheap, that will be available at a low cost. But 5 to 10 years down the line, the price of the same piece of land will increase tenfold. So you can make 10 times more income. This is how people have become billionaires. So buy land and property at cheap prices, wait for 10 to 15 years, sell that piece of land and become a billionaire. The seventh and the last form of income which can make you a billionaire is recurring income. You create something which gives you recurring income. You create a website, you create a blog, you create an app uh, which gives you a commission, which gives you a premium, which gives you a subscription charge on monthly basis. For example, if I have a website that gives people valuable information, I may charge rupees 100 per person who wants to get or read my valuable articles. So this is how I'll be getting recurring income. I can create valuable content and put it online through ebooks. That will give me recurring income. So these are some of the ways through which you can become a billionaire, and this is something which is always achievable. So I hope this video would have certainly helped you to gain a lot of valuable information, and I'm sure you will work your way out and become a billionaire one day. Thank you.